Hi and welcome. I'd like to introduce you to the All Wales recognition of Prior Learning Framework. The RPL Framework and Toolkit enables evidence of previous learning and experience relevant to an employee's post of employment to be academically acknowledged. The toolkit is designed to support progression and staff development. Through lifelong learning, non-accredited in-house learning or work-based qualifications which are no longer current. It also makes provision for the acknowledgement of relevant learning through experiences. There is no need to duplicate learning, and this means savings and efficiencies. Savings for the organisation in time and money spent on education and training programmes, and for the learner by not having to redo learning or training, which can be frustrating to say the least. With this toolkit, the Once for Wales ethic is met, and NHS core principles are embraced, and all because the toolkit helps ensure consistency of approach across Wales in the RPL process. There is support and guidance on the implementation of the process for all concerned, for those seeking the recognition for their capabilities, their supervisors and managers, learning and development staff, and assessors. There are forms and templates to standardise activities that will formally acknowledge prior learning from experiences and qualifications relevant to an individual's current role. The Framework and Toolkit provides an alternative means of gaining academically accredited qualifications. But it must be noted, RPL is not necessarily the easy option. It takes dedicated effort to gather the necessary evidence and to assess and validate it. In some cases, to redo training may well be a preferable course of action. Awarding RPL shows that the organisation acknowledges the skills, competencies and experience of a team member, and that team member will feel valued for what they bring to their team. RPL, credit where it's due. Everyone benefits.